it's kind of cool, this little balcony. So, but then when you frame it just this way, sometimes there'll be somebody sitting in those chairs right there, so you can frame it like that. And then you have this kind of little thing. Let's just see. So now you can see people go underneath. And then this one, there's that little cool thing right there. Let me get my hand out of the way. And it goes all the way up. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna film this little corner of Macau. So we're gonna go, basically we're gonna go around this block, and there's this one used to be I think it's like Opium Museum or something like that. But we're gonna try to go around it. And what's this? A telephone box? Correios, post office box. I guess I should have known that, but almost nobody uses post offices anymore, do they? And of course you'd use local and okay. Does anybody mail letters anymore? So anyways, let's I guess they must. I guess I still get junk mail letters from time to time. Okay, so we're gonna walk around this block, and there's this park over here, and it's evening time, and this whole thing is like this big giant artwork. So we're gonna try to film some of this artwork, and you can see it right here, and we're basically gonna walk around this block, but you can see all the artwork and these kind of cool apartments all the way up to, and there's also a park across the way. Oops, a taxi, and this and this. So let's just go back this way, and we're gonna follow this artwork down, and you can see how big it is. And let's get on it a little bit. So yeah, for context, it's huge. And there's another little art alley down in here too. So this one actually has more art. And so basically there's art in this alley, and then there's this one has kind of the big artwork. So you can see the person here, right? And then the artwork is like, I guess all the way up to, well, anyways. We're gonna go down a little bit more because I just want to go around this block, and I want to show how cool some of this is. It's getting a little bit dark, but all these kind of caged apartments, and there's one particular one that I want to get because it's a really nice little view. Let's see what this is. This is all for an app store, so maybe phone cards or shipping or something. I guess people do use the post offices because that's like receiving and shipping. Let's see what this is. This looks like it has kind of some kind of special. So we're gonna go over this way, and let's just see what we can see this way. There's this little archway right here across, and then let's see if we can get across here. And we're gonna view from this one side that I want to view as well. So okay, so now we have this kind of view as well, and there's archway is kind of cool. Oh, looks like somebody's in the window up there. It's kind of interesting. It's hard to see it from down here. Somebody's like in the caged part of a window, but I don't think you can really see in here anyways. But we're gonna view all the way down to this side here, and down on this side there's this apartment. You can see there's an apartment right here on the corner, which just looks really cool, and I'm gonna end it there in a minute. And this is what's over here. I don't know what's over there, but we're going to come over to this spot, and then we can catch this perfect angle right there. And then right there, there's it's kind of cool, this little balcony. So, but then when you frame it just this way, sometimes there'll be somebody sitting in those chairs right there, so you can frame it like that. And then you have this kind of little thing. Let's just see. So now you can see people go underneath. And then this one, there's that little cool thing right there. Let me get my hand out of the way. And it goes all the way up like that. And it's kind of cool. It's especially like framed like that. So somebody has an interesting view. But it looks like it's made out of like kind of a thin metal that's on top of the metal bar. So I don't think you can actually sit there, but you can put plants there. But it looks really cool from the street. And then there's Macau Masters Hotel. And there's a bunch of street, big main street right here. Anyways, we are going to end this film right here. Here. And here. And there. Chiquinha.